During your presentation, always stay calm and composed, no matter the circumstances. In your presentations, especially those with slides, you might face numerous technical issues. Although I strongly recommend predicting potential technical problems as much as possible and having solutions ready in advance. Always have a plan B for any unexpected situations that might occur, but let's be real. Things can still go wrong, like forgetting a part of your speech, or encountering issues that are completely out of your control and not even technical in nature. So what should we do in these situations? My advice to you is simple. Stay calm. Keep your confidence intact. Getting anxious or panicking when such problems arise will only make things worse. Believe me, your stress and anxiety will transfer to your audience. And on top of that, your brain will freeze, leaving you unsure of what to do next. When you're anxious, your mind cannot come up with effective solutions. So, the best course of action is to remain calm, maintain your confidence, and wait for the situation to return to normal. After all, even Microsoft and Bill Gates have faced bigger problems. Remember when they tried to launch Windows 98 and the infamous blue screen of death error appeared during their presentation? Imagine if we were in their shoes. What would we have done? To wrap up, I've included a video that showcases some technical issues that Microsoft presenters have faced during their product launches.
So that text message will be sent off. I can continue the IM, and everything works perfectly.
Excuse me just a second. Surface works great for entertainment.
And it's going to load in the appropriate drivers. You'll notice that this scanner build, whoa.